Most people out there, and honestly, maybe even you right now, think saving money is the ultimate key to wealth. You know the drill, right? They grip every single dollar tightly, absolutely terrified of losing it, thinking that hoarding is the only path to safety. But what if I told you that this is a complete lie? A trap, actually, set by the very system that wants to keep you working forever. I mean, think about it. They tell you to hoard your money in a vault. Why? So that the banks can turn around and deploy it using the exact Machiavellian strategies we are about to break down today. Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're unpacking an incredibly dark Machiavellian truth from our source material. The traditional, mainstream advice to save every penny, it is not keeping you safe. It's actively killing your potential. So you might be wondering, why is saving actually killing your wealth? It sounds completely counterintuitive, doesn't it? Since childhood, we are basically brainwashed to play it safe. Put it in a piggy bank, right? But the reality is stark. Holding on to money out of pure fear leads to what we can only describe as financial death. Why? Because while your money just sits there, idle, inflation is silently and ruthlessly eating away at its purchasing power. It's like ice melting in your hands. Money, by its very nature, hates standing still. It only grows, it only multiplies through aggressive, calculated movement.
You see, there is a massive divide between the masses and the elite. We are taught what we'll call the slave mindset. That means hoarding out of fear, constantly seeking short-term comfort and clinging to this fragile illusion of safety. But the elite, the real masters of the game, they literally never hoard. They deploy, they willingly trade short-term comfort for long-term power and absolute control. They understand that the rich absolutely do not hide their money in a mattress. They use it as a tool to buy lasting influence and undeniable leverage.
All right, let's dive into Pillar 1, money in motion. The core Machiavellian philosophy here is brutal, but so true. Stagnation is decay. As the old adage goes, every dollar is a soldier sent to conquer. Think about how powerful that mindset shift is. You shouldn't lock your money in a cage like a prisoner. You need to treat your dollars as highly trained soldiers in a vast army. You deploy them to capture new opportunities, secure new territory, and bring back more resources. A soldier just sitting in the barracks, well, they accomplish absolutely nothing. Fortune doesn't favor the cautious hoarder. It favors the strategic risk-taker.
And this brilliantly illustrates the ultimate forbidden rule of wealth, understanding the difference between price and cost. The poor are completely paralyzed by the immediate price of an investment. They look at a number and immediately say, wow, that's too expensive, focusing entirely on the immediate hit to their wallet. But the rich, they calculate the devastating cost of inaction. They look at the exact same situation and ask, what is it going to cost me to stay exactly the same? They focus on the lost leverage and the life-changing opportunities they're going to miss out on if they don't act.
So that leads us right into Pillar 2, buying capability.
Escaping the comfort trap and aggressively upgrading your own capabilities is the only true way to scale your wealth. Look, the system desperately wants you to spend on distractions to numb the pain of a stagnant life. When you spend to escape pain, say buying fancy new clothes or the newest phone just to impress people who honestly don't care, you are just buying comfort. It's a weakness. It keeps you docile. But when you buy capability, like specialized skills or advanced tools, you become dangerous in the marketplace. Saving $1,000 leaves it to slowly die in a checking account. But investing that $1,000 into a high-value skill, like elite sales training, that can yield $10,000 a month for the rest of your life.
And here's the thing about learning those skills. Free information is a trap. Seriously, it costs you years of your life in endless trial and error. Paid information costs money, sure, but it buys you speed. Consider a story from our sources about a man who refused to pay just $200 for a freelance course out of pure pride. Because he wanted to save that tiny amount of capital, he spent 2 agonizing, totally unprofitable years trying to piece things together through fragmented YouTube videos. Meanwhile, another guy paid for the speed, applied the consolidated knowledge immediately, and was making $5,000 a month shortly after. The rich buy speed, the poor buy time.
Now let's look at Pillar 3, access and status.
There is this fascinating concept known as the expensive rooms theory. It basically proves that in the game of wealth, who you stand next to often matters significantly more than how hard you work. Imagine for a second writing a check for $10,000, not for a car, not for a luxury vacation, but simply for a seat at a single private investor dinner. To the average person, this sounds absolutely insane. No way, right? A total waste of resources. The poor would instinctively call it reckless.
But you have to ask yourself, is it a cost, or is it a massive bargain for leverage? At that specific dinner, the man who dropped the 10 grand happened to sit next to a potential business partner. And that single connection helped him generate $500,000 in just 1 year. This perfectly proves a cold, Machiavellian truth. Paying for access and intentionally putting yourself in proximity to power is exactly how the elite build their networks. They literally buy their way into the rooms where the biggest decisions are made.
But to command this financial army, you need a command center to know exactly where your capital is leaking.
That's why I highly recommend downloading the Masarif app. It's an indispensable free tool that operates entirely offline to guarantee your total privacy.
With advanced features like debt tracking and savings pots kept strictly on your device, it's the ultimate tool to manage your wealth strategically. Download links are in the description.
Okay, let's transition into Pillar 4, leverage and systems.
The ultimate goal here is to stop trading your precious, finite time for money. You have to use your capital to build ruthless, efficient systems that operate while you sleep. Take Elias, for example. He was completely exhausted, burning the candle at both ends, trying to run his entire online business by doing everything himself just to save a few bucks. He was the marketer, the customer service rep, the accountant, the whole shebang. Then he decided to spend $300 a month to hire a virtual assistant. This small expenditure freed him from countless low-value tasks. He focused purely on high-level strategy, and guess what? He doubled his income in mere weeks. He spent money to buy back his momentum.
Which brings us to a really cold strategic truth, the trap of dependency versus the power of substitution. Most people rely on one boss, one client, one platform. That dependency makes them highly controllable and frankly incredibly weak. But true control, this Machiavellian concept of substitution, means using your wealth to build so many alternative income streams and backup systems that you can never be replaced or controlled by any single entity. When one stream dries up, another one is already flowing. You become untouchable. To sum it all up, control your money, or someone else will control you with theirs. Wealth isn't about hoarding currency in a banking system that actively exploits your savings to build its own empire. True wealth is about deploying your resources relentlessly. It's about turning money into power, power into time, and time into absolute, uncompromising freedom. I really hope this explainer has completely shifted how you view your resources. Now, I challenge you to take action. Hit that like button and comment down below. Have you been playing it safe, or are you ready to deploy your army? Make sure to subscribe if you are serious about smart, strategic wealth building and economic content like this. Remember, the system is literally designed to feed on your hesitation. So, will you remain a target, or will you become the strategist? See you next time.